Hi everyone and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a beautiful 1967 Chevrolet Camaro RS, the real deal, guys, with a protective plate, all matching numbers. Really cool car, man. If you're looking for just a very nice collectible type car, this car is killer. Factory color combination. It's had one repaint, which is the original butternut yellow. Factory black vinyl top. It has the correct black deluxe interior in it, and I think most of the interior is actually original. Car's only got 90,000 miles on it. Really nicely done. You can see it's got bia-ply red lines all the way around it. It also has the correct mag style wheel covers on it. Matching numbers 350, yes, and 67. They had a 350 in the super sport cars. The nice thing about 67 is you can document everything on this car with the trim tag, and it has a protecto plate, so you know the car's not a fake, it's not a clone. That's the nice thing about 67s, you can actually document the cars. Factory rally sport, super sport car, original color combination, very correct car. One of the only things I would say that's kind of incorrect, they put a pinstripe on this car. That's something that somebody's added, but it's nicely done. If you want it removed, you can take it off, but really good car. Runs and drives outstanding. Muncie 4-speed car, which is correct. 12-bolt car with the original radius rod in the rear. Again, very nice car, well done, not a whole lot you can really nitpick on the car. And great running and driving car. Chrome and stainless is nice. Turn the key, take it right to the car show. Has the correct SS hood. Paint slick. I didn't see a whole lot. There's a couple touch-up marks, a couple little stone pecks on it, but like any of them, I always tell everybody, you can always find something on any car. I don't care how much you spend, how fresh the restoration is, there's always something somewhere. It has all the factory correct soft ray glass in it too. Vinyl top's in great shape. I just realized something the other day. Is now our 45th year of being in business here, which is just kind of dawned on me, man. Pretty good little scratch here. I've actually ordered a touch-up pen for the car, see if we can build that up, make that kind of go away. Really nice car. Nice and straight down the sides. Factory stance. Really good car. Fun to drive, shifts out good. It's always fun to bang the gears in a 4-speed. Again, those are the factory correct wheel covers. Factory front disc brakes as part of the super sport option. Matching numbers. We cleaned it off real nice for you so you can see the numbers on the block. That's all correct. 350, 295 horse, stock 4-barrel, stock intake and exhaust manifolds, correct double hump heads. Manual steering car, which is pretty common with a 4-speed, power front disc brakes. Again, the nice thing about a 67, you can document everything through the trim tag. Engine light work, or engine compartment light works, trunk light works, factory AM radio works, the clock works. good car. And like I say, just a pleasure to drive. A couple little marks in the trim, but pretty nice. Again, 45 years of doing this, I tell you, it just makes you realize, I mean, these cars are getting up there in age now, but you can always find something somewhere. None of these things are perfect. This is a good one, though. I will tell you that. They did replace, it looks like they replaced the door fuzzies there. Chrome and stuff is very nice. I believe this is all the factory original interior in this car. Factory deluxe seats. I broke everything down in the ad too. All the codes in the ad from the trim tag. Factory bucket seats console, factory tach and gauges. Of course, it's got the Super Sport steering wheel, the correct Muncie shifter. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts in it. Headliner's in great shape. Dash is really nice. Gauges, 95,000 original miles on the car. Again, tach, gauges, even the clock down there works. AM radio works. Blower motor works. Parking brake works. It's got the stock type dual exhaust with a crossflow rear muffler. It also has a factory correct 12 bolt 331 posi in it. With the radius rod. If you don't know what that is, in 67, all the high performance cars got a factory passenger side, what do you call it? A torsion bar. Gosh, my brain's freezing. Factory jack with spare. Original Protecto plate, which is nicely, again, you can document that this car is real. Original owner's manual, it's all spackle coated and everything. I'm gonna rip the lights up. You can see it's all spackle coated. Just a good car. Traction bar. That's the word I'm looking for on the passenger side. And they got a factory traction bar on the rear on the high performance 67 cars. It's colder out here than I thought. Floors are clean. Look like the original pans and stuff on the floor. I didn't really see where they had changed any body panels on the car. The interior's in great shape, and I believe it's all original, guys. The car has been repainted, but it is the original color. You can tell these seats are original and they're nice. Factory console. Lighting in there works. Oh, I forgot to show you the trunk light working too. You start up, Mike. Again, all factory correct glass. Shoot, I almost wish I had some gloves here. My hands are freezing. Yeah, pick the A-pillar corn just a little bit. This is a little sweetheart, man. The car runs and drives outstanding. Yeah, that's all matching numbers. I love the hideaway headlight option. I like these cars way better than what I call the bug-eye cars. Give a little rev so they got tach works. Again, parking brake works. Doors open and close nice. Brake lights. Put it in reverse. Yep, backup lights work. Good. Give it a little rev. Sounds exactly like a 67 Camaro should. Again, all your gauges are functional. Turn that radio on. Radio works. Blower motor works. Wipers. Functional hideaway headlights. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. I think I just hit this dang button again. I did. And your hands are freezing. I got a new camera. And when it's cold out, it's just tough for me to get the zoom to work. Have a great day, guys!